With the average new car price now hitting a staggering $45,000, you aren't just buying a vehicle anymore, you're managing a major asset. If you treat it like a disposable appliance, it'll die like one. But if you know the black label secrets the manufacturers bury in the fine print, you can push your engine past 900,000 miles without a single major teardown. Today, I'm showing you the 17 habits that turn a reliable car into a legend, including one bonus at the end that literally puts cash back in your pocket. Number 17, never rev a cold engine. Here is a brutal reality. Over 90% of turbocharger failures aren't caused by bad parts, they're caused by the driver. We're talking about oil starvation. When your car sits overnight, the oil drains into the pan, leaving the most sensitive components like your turbo bearings bone dry. Cold oil moves like molasses, it's thick, stubborn, and slow. If you start your car and immediately blip the throttle to hear that exhaust note, you are forcing metal-to-metal contact at thousands of RPMs. For a turbo, that is instant execution. For a non-turbo engine, you're looking at spun bearings. I've seen repair bills for a spun bearing on a BMW top $11,000. Is a 5-second rev worth an $11,000 invoice? Now don't swing to the other extreme and let it idle for 20 minutes. Long idles prevent the engine from reaching operating temperature efficiently, leading to incomplete combustion and fuel dilution. The pro move: wait 30 to 60 seconds for the oil to circulate, then drive gently. Keep it under 2,500 RPM until the needle moves. Your wallet will thank you. Number 16, replace the timing and serpentine belts at 60,000 mph or 5 years. A snapped timing belt is the game over screen for your engine. This belt synchronizes your pistons and valves. If it breaks while you're driving, they collide in a violent metal-on-metal smash that can crack your cylinder head or even the block itself. In a luxury car, you're looking at an $8,000 engine replacement. But forget the money for a second, think about the safety. If that belt snaps at 70 mph on the interstate, your engine stalls instantly. No power steering, no vacuum for your brakes. You aren't just looking for a new engine, you're hopping, you don't need a casket. Replace it every 5 years or 60,000 miles. Rubber rots from the inside out, so don't wait for a look or a sound. While you're in there, do the water pump and tensioners too. It's the best insurance policy you'll ever buy. Number 15, change your brake fluid every 3 to 5 years. Most people ignore brake fluid until the pedal feels like a wet sponge. That's a mistake. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it literally sucks moisture out of the air. Water in your brake lines does two things. It lowers the boiling point, causing brake fade on long hills, and it corrodes your ABS module from the inside. An ABS pump can cost $1,300. A bottle of fresh fluid? $15. Several studies show that .3 and .4 fluid can absorb 3% moisture per year, which cuts your braking efficiency by 25%. If you haven't flushed your brakes in 3 years, you're essentially driving with a ticking time bomb under your foot. Number 14, change your oil by usage, not mileage. The 5,000-mile rule is a myth. Why? Because the guy driving 50 miles on a highway is doing much less damage than the parent doing 5-minute school runs in the city. Short trips are engine killers. If the oil never gets hot enough to burn off moisture and raw fuel, your lubrication turns into an acidic sludge. Look at your manual, severe service schedule. If you idle, tow, or drive in the city, that is you. Forget 10,000-mile intervals, stick to 5,000 miles or 6 months. For the real enthusiasts, send a sample to a lab like Blackstone once a year. For $30 to $100, they'll tell you exactly how much life your engine has left. It's like a blood test for your car. Number 13, change transmission fluid every 60,000 mph. The term lifetime fluid is a marketing lie designed to lower the cost of ownership for the first owner. The problem? Lifetime usually means until the warranty expires. Over time, transmission fluid shears down and gets contaminated with clutch material. Perform a drain and fill every 60,000 miles. A quick warning: if your car has 200,000 miles and has never had a change, don't start now. At that point, the grit in the fluid might be the only thing keeping the worn clutches from slipping, but if you start early, you'll never have to pay the $5,000 for a rebuild. Number 12, change coolant every 50,000 mph or 5 years. Did you know that 53% of premature engine failures are cooling related? Coolant doesn't just keep things from melting, it carries corrosion inhibitors that protect your aluminum radiator and water pump. When those inhibitors die, the fluid becomes acidic and starts eating your gaskets. Check your levels monthly and flush it every 5 years. Once corrosion starts inside an engine block, it's almost impossible to stop. Number 11, regular differential and transfer case service every 30,000 to 50,000 mi. If you have an AWD or 4WD vehicle, you have a transfer case and differentials. These are the forgotten gearboxes of the automotive world. These fluids work under extreme pressure, and when they fail, the repair is upwards of $5,000. Most people don't even know these parts exist until they hear a clunk and see a four-figure bill. Change the gear oil every 30,000 to 50,000 miles to keep the power moving smoothly. Number 10, replace spark plugs 60,000 to 120,000 mi. A worn spark plug forces your ignition coils to work harder, eventually burning them out. While iridium plugs are rated for long lives, they can seize in the cylinder head if left for a decade. Every 60,000 miles, pull them out. If they're worn, replace them with OEM spec plugs. A $10 plug can save you a $2,000 catalytic converter by preventing unburnt fuel from overheating the exhaust. Number 9, check and clean mass airflow sensor. Your MAF sensor is the nose of your engine. If it gets dirty, especially from those high-performance oiled air filters, it tells the engine the wrong story. You'll get poor MPG, rough idles, and eventually a dead catalytic converter. Every 6 months, spray it with dedicated MAF cleaner. Never touch the delicate wires inside. This 5-minute job maintains your engine's brain and keeps your fuel trim perfect. Number 8, replace the PCV valve immediately. The PCV valve is a $15 part that can cause $1,000 in oil leaks. It's responsible for venting pressure out of the crankcase. If it clogs, that pressure has to go somewhere, usually through your expensive main seals. If you do a lot of short trips, swap this out every 30,000 miles. It's a cheap way to ensure your engine stays dry and leak-free. Number 7, use top-tier fuel. Gas is another dangerous myth. Top-tier fuel contains significantly higher levels of detergents than the EPA minimum. A AAA study found that top-tier gas resulted in 19 times fewer deposits on intake valves. For GDI, direct injection engines, this is the difference between a clean-running motor and a $600 walnut blasting service to clean carbon off your valves. For an extra 3 cents a gallon, it's a no-brainer. Number 6, check tire pressure monthly. Tires lose about 1 psi every month just from temperature changes and seepage. Don't wait for the TPMS light. That light only comes on when you're already in the danger zone. Check the sticker on your driver's side door jamb, not the sidewall of the tire. Correct pressure improves your MPG by 3% and ensures your tires wear evenly, saving you hundreds over the life of the set. Number 5, wheel alignment and suspension checks. If your alignment is off, your car is literally fighting itself. This puts unnecessary load on the wheel bearings, CV joints, and transmission. A $100 alignment once a year can prevent you from prematurely replacing a $1,200 set of tires. If your steering wheel isn't perfectly centered, get it checked today. Number 4, replace brake pads immediately. Metal-on-metal braking doesn't just sound terrible, it's incredibly dangerous. If you let your pads wear down to the rivets, you'll score your rotors, turning a $200 pad slap into a $600 full brake job. Inspect them every 10,000 miles. If they're thinner than 1/8 of an inch, swap them out. Number 3, change power steering fluid every 50 to 70,000 mi. Ever heard a car make a moaning sound when turning the wheel? That's the power steering pump dying because the fluid is contaminated. Most manufacturers don't even list a service interval for this, but trust me, after 50,000 miles, that fluid is cooked. Drain and refill it with compatible fluid to keep the steering rack from leaking. A rack replacement can easily cost $1,500. Number 2, replace the fuel filter at OEM interval. Modern fuel pumps are cooled by the fuel itself. When the filter clogs, the pump has to work twice as hard and runs hotter. Eventually, the pump burns out, leaving you stranded. Replacing a fuel filter is usually easy and cheap. Replacing a fuel pump involves dropping the gas tank and spending $1,000. Follow the interval even if the car feels fine. Number 1, clean battery terminals twice a year. Corrosion is an electrical insulator. That white crust on your battery terminals prevents the alternator from fully charging the battery, leading to premature battery death and strain on your alternator. The fix? Baking soda, water, and an old toothbrush. It costs pennies and takes 5 minutes, but it will save you from a $200 battery and a $500 alternator. Bonus, keep a logbook. Here's the secret to getting your money back: documentation. A car with 200,000 miles and a thick folder of receipts is worth 20% more than the same car with no history. It proves you're an owner who cared. When it's time to sell, that logbook is your proof of value. Maintenance isn't an expense, it's an investment. If you want to see the 19 most common mistakes people make during a simple oil change, mistakes that can kill an engine in minutes, click this video right here. I'll see you in the next one.